A Cowherd appeared calm when he was charged with the murder of a 40-year-old woman at a magistrate courts here on Tuesday. Karubakaran, 29, was charged with murdering Lee Ling T between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. on August 28 at a house Jalan Permatangara, Taman Seruling Emas in Sungai Jawi. He was charged under Section 302 of the Penal Code for murder, which carries the death penalty upon conviction. Karubakaran nodded and said he understood the non-bailable charge before Magistrate Aziana Azab. However, no plea was recorded from the accused. He then pleaded guilty to 2 charges under Section 15 of the Dangerous Drugs Act 1952 for administering 2 drugs into his system on August 29 at 1 a.m. at the Narcotics Criminal Investigation Department in South Seberang Prai. Deputy Public Prosecutor Nuramira Shahrul Azran said the murder charge was a non-bailable offence and asked for a case mention date pending the victim's pathology and post-mortem reports. Aziana said no bail would be offered for the drug charges pending sentencing due to the murder charge, and set November 8 for mention of all 3 cases. Karubakaran was arrested on August 29 in connection with the rape and death of a woman at her double-story house in Taman Seruling Emas on August 28. He is believed to have gained access into the 40-year-old victim's house after climbing over the fence and entering through a window. South Seberang Prai OCPD Superintendent Lee Chong Chern was reported as saying the incident occurred at around 3 a.m. after the suspect took Syabu with a friend and borrowed his motorcycle for a ride. The suspect then rode the motorcycle to the back lane of the victim's house and broke into her house through a window. He found her asleep in bed and raped her, he said, adding that the victim is believed to have fought back and screamed until the suspect gagged her with her undergarments. After a while the victim did not move and is believed to have died, but the suspect continued raping her, he said. Superintendent Lee said the suspect then dragged the victim's body to the floor and hid it under the bed. After rummaging through her house, the suspect made off with a mobile phone, some cash and the victim's locket. He left the house at around 2 p.m. and returned the motorcycle to his friend before walking back to his house in Taman Seruling Emas. At around 7 p.m., the suspect went into hiding at Changkat Sungai Jawi and threw the victim's belongings into a river in the Changkat area, Superintendent Lee added. He added that the suspect was arrested there and a motorcycle, t-shirt, underwear and a slipper were confiscated.